Yo, welcome to Fluffy Tales, where all we do is just look at cats. This woman has been feeding this cat for quite some time now. However, the reason why I came back this time is completely different.
Are y'all yelling at me? Are you yelling at me too? Yeah. Yeah.
I want you guys to pause the video right here and comment down below what you think it is.
And another thing. You're vocal today. Oh my goodness.
Now that is adorable.
You got the kittens. And there's 5. Oh my god, a black one. Look at that one. Holy crap.
This has got to be the best combination in terms of animals I have ever seen. This cat is chilling on its owner's lap while he plays on the PS4. If it was up to me, I would have given him a controller. Just like every child that has a favourite toy, watch what happens when you take this cat's favourite teddy away from him. This is what happens if you miss your cat's feeding schedule.
Happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
That's all that we have time for today's video. Do consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next Fluffy Tale.